Hey there, I'm Mosik and welcome to my studio. Today I'd like to share with you a quick video of how Andrea Bocelli autographed my painting. Also, I had done a painting of his beautiful family and we presented it to Miss Veronica Bocelli. Please keep in mind that I was not able to attend, so I had my very dear friend go instead of me and present the paintings to him. So, hope you enjoy it.
On my emails, I really appreciate it, and I have a little surprise for you.
I think.
Wow. My friend Moses.
Yeah.
He's an artist.
Sorry.
He went through cancer 5 years ago. Tongue cancer. Chemotherapy and radiation. He knows I'm your friend. He asked me to give you a
Wow.
I made this for you and your beautiful family.
Thank you. It makes me more beautiful.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Awesome. This is we're gonna mail this to you.
No, we can keep it.
You want to keep it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, because Alyssa told me to mail it to you.
No, I can hold it. Yeah.
Okay.
You say hold it?
So we'll put it in the box.
If you keep it, yes.
I have a box
Yes.
for you already.
Okay.
I can take it.
This is for his collection. Andrea can autograph it.
Autograph, yeah.
And here's the marker already ready to
Don't
go.
tell Andrea is a little bit fatter than what he is. He's not going to sign it. I'm kidding. This was before the gluten-free diet.
Yeah. Right. Low carb.
If you can also be favorite, I'll autograph also this one here. I really appreciate it. And I have a couple of extra gifts for you here. The bag is yours. So
I'm going to have Andrea coming out here so that we're everywhere.
thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you.
It's nicer outside here than the inside.
Ho stato seguendo la tua carriera 20 anni. Sono anche mio amico, caro amico Gaetano. E poi a Willy Gaetano lui. Oggi sono qui per presentarsi a una verniciatura di speciale preparata per il mio amico personale da 25 anni, l'artista Bosi dello stesso, che non aveva durante una questa da chi oggi. È una bella immagine di voi e Veronica che tengono e baciano la Virginia quando era 2 anni. Bosi è stato diagnosticato con un cancro 5 anni fa e mentre attraverso la chemioterapia e la radiazione ha ascoltato la tua musica che era lentitivo e calmante e per quel motivo vorresti grazie a tua moglie con questo regalo.
Fa la grande qui, qui ci sei te, bellissimo, prima del gluten free però,
Get the magazine also if you want over there.
I did it.
Oh, thank you, Veronica.
Bello. Questo lo tiene.
Well guys, that's it with this video. Hope you had fun watching Maestro Bocelli autograph my painting. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, you can go ahead and do that now. Like and share. Until next time, happy painting. Bye!